Okay, what I want to talk about today is the use of chords with similar tones in them. 'Cause as it turns out, they make up a lot of our most popular chord progressions. For instance, like C, A minor, F, G sus. They all have a C note in them. Here's a C, here's your A minor, has a C in it. Your F has a C in it. G sus. And it resolves to G. Then you have something like C with a G on top, an A minor with a G on top, an E minor with a G on top, and a G chord which has a G on top. Now you could have the same chords or similar chords where you have C with an E on top, A minor with an E on top, F, which is going to become an F major 7 because it's going to have an E on top, and then you're going to have a G with an E inserted and it becomes the 6th or G6, and it could resolve to G. So anyway, it makes up a lot of interesting progressions, and the common tones are used a lot in harmonies for singing and stuff like that. But what's cool is to move it to a different place on the neck. So let's say we wanted to play the same C, A minor, F, G sus, G, but let's move it up to the 9th fret. Alright, so some interesting chords that have common tones in them. C has a C on top. A minor played in a D minor shape but on the 7th fret. F on the 5th fret but with a C on top. And G sus to G. So C, A minor with a C on top, F with a C on top, and a G sus with a C on top, resolving to G. So you could write a song using that. Kid yourself, these are hard chords to play. G sus to G. So this G is actually a D chord. Just moved up to the 5th fret. And this F, got a C on top, is really just an F chord. It's basically a D chord. Moved up to here, but we want the C on top and I don't have 6 fingers, so we just eliminate one finger and put the C on top and it's still an F chord. And you got the G, which is really a D chord, D sus, moved up to the 5th fret. It's cool stuff.